So we got this situation. Integration of cosx by 5 plus 7 sine theta minus 2 cos square theta. Okay. So look at this, how we will approach this question. So my point is, you know that we have to take something as z, and we are observing that we have sine theta and cos theta. So suppose that we have taken sine theta as z. So what we will have dz as d theta. So we will have cos theta, and look at this, dz will be equal to cos theta d theta, and we have that component, correct? So if we will take sine as z, we can manage things. Now suppose that, like for clarification, I want to take cos as cos theta as z. So we will have dz by d theta as minus of sine theta. So you will have product, you will have dz as minus of sine theta d theta, okay? But it is different, it is connected with this idea, okay? So what we will do, we will take z as sine theta. For that we will convert the denominator into sine, okay? So the idea is cos theta upon 5 plus 7 sine theta minus 2 1 minus sine square theta d theta. Cos theta d theta, we will have 5 plus 7 sine theta minus 2 plus 2 sine square theta, okay? So we have everything on the denominator as sine. Let's write down those things into standard form. It's a d theta, okay? So 2 sine square theta plus 7 sine theta plus 3, okay? So we have simplified everything. Now what we will do, we will take sine theta as z, okay? So look at this, how question will get transformed. So it will become dz, and the denominator will look like 2z square plus 7z plus 3. Now look at this, the denominator will look like quadratic, okay? So you can go with two ideas, that go with completing square, or you can go with the factorization. So suppose that I want to go through factorization. So 2z square, we have 2 3 is 6, so 6z plus z plus 3. So if it will get factorized into 2z plus 1 and z plus 3. So we can break this question into dz by 2z plus 1 and z plus 3. Now if you'll observe the denominator, you have factorized it very gracefully. Now you can apply partial fraction concept. So can I write that fraction as 2z plus 1 z plus 3. So I will be writing the first component as 2z plus 1. Now we will start from writing power as 1, and we will end up at, we will keep on increasing the power by 1, we will end up at this power, but the power is 1, so we have to stop at 1 only. Now we will be writing second bracket, so that is z plus 3. We will start writing power from 1, and we will write till this power, the power is 1 only, okay? So we have to stop here. Now inside bracket, if you'll observe, we have linear, so we will be writing constant a. Inside bracket it is linear, so we will be writing constant b. Now we have to find out the value of these constant a and b. So a is a times z plus 3, b times 2z plus 1. Okay, now what we'll do, we will take z as minus of 1 by 2. Suppose that z is minus 1 by 2, so this thing will become 0, and hopefully we can get the value of a. So a will be what? 3 minus 1 by 2 equals to 1. So it is 6 minus 1, 5. So it is 5 by 2. So a will be equal to 2 by 5. Okay. So we got value of a as 2 by 5. Now similarly we will find out the value of b by taking, let z equals to minus of 3. So this time a will become 0. Okay. So we will have b as minus of 6 plus 1. So minus of 5 equals to 1. So the value of b becomes minus 1 by 5. Okay. So we got value of a and b. Now let's rewrite the question. So the fraction was 1 by 2z plus 1, z plus 3, okay, equals to a. A is what? 2 by 3. So we got 2 by 3 into 2z plus 1 minus 1 by 5. No, 2 by 3 nahi, it is 2 by 5. Okay, so it is z plus 3. Now we have to integrate with respect to dz. So dz everywhere, take integration sign. Now integrate this part. So it is 2 by 5 is a constant, and this thing will behave as z. Okay, so its integration will become log 2z plus 1 minus 1 by 5 log z plus 3 plus integration constant c. Now you know that they have asked question in terms of sine thetas. Okay, but you are answering in z, so you have to replace your z. So 2 by 5. Okay, so 2 by 5 log 2 sine theta plus 1 minus 1 by 5 log sine theta plus 3 plus c. Okay, so this is our required answer. If you want, you can simplify this thing little bit more, because you want ln mod b theta. So what you should do, wait, here we did some mistake. Look here, if you will take this bracket as z na, you will have this thing as dz. Okay, so we won't get this 2, we will have 1 there, and you can take 1 by 5 common, and then you will be having log m minus n, which is log m by n. So 2 sine theta plus 1 upon sine theta plus 3. Okay, so now you can handle accordingly that the value of a is the coefficient. So value of a is what? 1 by 5, and the value of b theta will become 2 sine theta plus 1 by sine theta plus 3. Done. Okay, I hope the idea is clear and you can handle similar situations. Okay, so from now onwards, if you will observe, numerator is having only one element. If it is cos theta, you have to take z as sine theta. If it is sine theta, you will be taking cos theta as z. Okay.